bangcolile bona bayaphithizela bayangena bangcolile bona bayaphithizela sikadumzila sindawo sikadumzila sindawo sikadumzila sindawo sikadumzila sindawo bayangena bangcolile bona bayaphithizela bayangena bangcolile.
Angibingelele kumalungu omkhonto wesizwe ewonke nakubantu base South Africa bebonkana. Igama ngusizwe ngwakazungu KwaZulu Natal isosha lomkhonto wesizwe. Namhlanje besine meeting yamasosha omkhonto wesizwe wonke akaZulu Natal la ebesizokwakha ubumbano emasosheni omkhonto wesizwe. Sibuka neyinkinga amasosha abhekene nazo empilweni yawo nakumkhonto wesizwe eziphathe. Sibe nomhlanganeko obe impumelelo kakhulu. Sakhuluma ngakho konke ebesidinga ukukhuluma ngakho. Sakhetha ne-structure esi-interim sa-provincial okuyisona structure ke esizobe sesilekelela ukwakha ama-regional structures nama-zonal structures kumkhonto wesizwe military ekwama-ex-combatants. Umhlangano wethu ube impumelelo ke ubuhanjelwe wonke amasosha e-national security KwaZulu Natal, amasosha e-duodai, amasosha ama-flag bearer bese kuba yiwo wonke amasosha. Sibe nenhlanhla ke namhlanje ngoba kukhona ngisho amasosha besawashiyile ka-ANC akhetha ukubuya namhlanje azosijoyina ezamasosha omkhonto wesizwe ngoba sithi sidinga lonke isosha abamsane kumkhonto wesizwe aqedele esakuqala ukulwela ukukhululeka komuntu omnyama. Namhlanje ke besizokwakha inhlelo zokuqedela ukukhululeka komuntu omnyama nokuphelela kwempilo yamasosha omkhonto wesizwe. Yilokho bokusihlanganise namhlanje.
Ulwazi Mzobe lo imember omkhonto wesizwe party and member military veteran omkhonto wesizwe. We are here at Durban today on 23 November with a significant meeting which we have as a military veteran of Umkhonto Wesizwe party by resolving issues which were dividing us. And we are hoping that njengamanje masisuka siya phambili sizohamba sonke ngo-1. And what is good out of this meeting is that we elected a legitimate structure which will command the province and also assist to launch other regional structures so that in KZN, in the side of the military will be an order, because before everyone was doing what he wished to do without communicating with anyone. So we're hoping with the meeting namhlanje yonke into isizohamba kahle, and into ebalulekile nebayishilo iphumela meeting ukuthi we need to go back to the basis, to the ground force, and mobilize the people and go and fight for it province yethu.
Igama lami nguZibuso Kacele abambiza ngoRogers. Ngiyimember ye-National Assembly. Njengamanje kade sihlangene eKZN province singamalunga omkhonto wesizwe party. Sizolungisa inkinga ekhona. Sikwazile ukukhetha istructure sesikhashana samasosha esobambisana exactly structure somkhonto wesizwe party esilegitime esisemthethweni. Inhloso yokukhetha istructure ukuthi izinto zomkhonto wesizwe ziqonde zingabi nabo ubugebengu. Kwazise phela sarojwa nangawo ukhetho lolu basiphambanisela amavoti. Njengamanje siyimisela ukuthi iKZN ibuyele ngaphansi komkhonto wesizwe party. Kwazise phela nabahlali nabavotela umkhonto wesizwe. Abanye asikwazanga ukubuyela kubona, sixoliseke ukuthi asibuyelanga kubona emva kokuthi besivotele saluwina ukhetho sarojwa. Ngakho-ke sizimisela ukuthi wonke umuntu wase-South Africa avotele umkhonto wesizwe party kuma-local government election azayo. Umhlangano ebesinayo ube impumelelo kakhulu. Njengoba ngisephalamende ngimele amasosha, ngimisela ukuthi wonke amasosha asizakale. Kunamasosha angasebenzi, kunamasosha asengagijima, asengangena emsebenzini. awakhonside lawo masosha anikeze imisebenzi, aphinde futhi amasosha akhonside ukunikeza izindlu. Kuyasidabukiisa kakhulu ukuthi abalweli benkululeko eSouth Africa abanakiwe ngezinto ey'ningi. Uma sikhuluma ukuthi ey'bhedlela imindeni yabo ayisizakale, basitshela ngokuthi babengayikhokhi intela, babala kakhulu abantu esasilwa nabo, kakhulukazi uhulumeni wobandlululo. Ngakho-ke wonke amasosha ayelwela inkululeko nakube sagwinywa ngokurojwa awathole amalungelo awo ukuthi anakekeleke kuyona yonke indawo nemindeni yabo.
No, ngibulise bonke abantu, members of umkhonto wesizwe, amakhomanda, amakomisa, wonke umkhonto wesizwe beyahlangene lapha KwaZulu Natal eThekwini. Size nama-forms abanye ukuthi wonke umuntu agcwalise ukuthi arenewe ngama-20 bawagcwalisile wonke siwaphethe, kodwa ayashoda ama-membership forms. Umhlangano wona uhambe kahle kakhulu ngoba si-appointile ke i-acting structures somkhonto wesizwe, and then nama-internals nawo akhona, nama-different bangene ngama-different camps abasuka eAngola, Tanzania, Uganda, internal trained, nama-SDUs bonke balapha, wonke umuntu ujabulile. And ngithemba ukuthi labantu abakhethiwe aba-appointiwe bazawusebenzela ama-comrade. If abawasebenzeli, we are going to withdraw them. And then I've reminded them ukuthi thina siku-liberations, we want to liberate abantu abase-South Africa. Asikaba-liberate, and he is capable to liberate abantu base-South Africa. Manje ke seyisukile, if iyayenzeka ukuthi ama-politics ayafeyila, ngikhuluma ngama-politics ukuthi ayafeyila, ngikhuluma ngokuthi ku-X esibaye basiropa na 2024 abangasiropa futhi 2026 siyenza ini? Ngeke sithule.